Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I am fine. I am Khandekar Fazlur Rabbi, lecturer, Department of Chemistry, Milestone College, Uttara. My dear students, during this pandemic situation, welcome you all to our online chemistry class. Today, we discuss about some important MCQ from chemistry second paper, chapter 3, quantitative chemistry. Dear students, this is our first MCQ. How much sodium carbonate is needed to prepare a solution of 100 ml 0.1 molar sodium carbonate? Here given for option. So, my dear students, we know that S equal to W into 1000 divided by mv. So, W equal to SMV by 1000, and here the given concentration is 0.1. Molecular mass of sodium carbonate is 106 and the volume is 100 ml divided by 1000, and we get the answer 1.06. So, my dear students, we can say that the correct answer is option A, 1.06 gram. Now, question number 2. Which ion of the following acts both as oxidant and reductant? My dear students, we know that iron 2 plus Fe2 plus can accept electron to electron and we get iron, and it also can donate electron and we get Fe3 plus. That means iron 2 plus can accept electron and it also can donate electron. So, iron 2 plus acts both as oxidant and reductant. So, according to our discussion, we can say that the correct answer is iron 2 plus. Okay, my dear students, now we discuss about our next question. What is the pH range of methyl orange in color change at the end point in acid base titration? My dear students, we know that methyl orange can change the color at end point in acid base titration at pH 3 to 5. So, we can say that the correct option is A, that is 3 to 5 pH. And my dear students, now our next question is potassium dichromate plus ferrous sulfate plus sulfuric acid reacts together and they produce potassium sulfate, chromium sulfate, ferric sulfate and water. Here the question is, in this reaction what is the molar ratio of the oxidant and the reductant? My dear students, if we see potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7 reacts and it produces 2K plus chromium, 2 chromium, 3 plus, and here 7 oxygen present. So, we write here 7H2O. Okay. Now, here 14 H plus, because here we use 7 into 2, 14 H plus. And to balance the equation, here potassium dichromate accept 6 electron. And for ferrous sulfate, we say that Fe2 plus Fe2 plus donate 1 electron and it produce Fe3 plus. So, my dear students, we can say that in this reaction, potassium dichromate accept 6 electron and ferrous Fe2 plus ferrous ion donate 1 electron. So, this one is potassium dichromate is an oxidant and iron 2 plus, that means ferrous sulfate is a reductant. So, the ratio of oxidant and reductant is 1:6. Our next question is, which one is the full meaning of HPLC? Option A, high pressure liquid chromatography. Option B, high performance liquid chromatography. Option C, high power liquid chromatography, and option D, high plant liquid chromatography. We know that the meaning of HPLC is high performance liquid chromatography. So, my dear students, the answer is option B. Our next question, in case of molar solution, option A, first one is it is a standard solution. 2, concentration of solution is 1 molar. 3, 1 mole is dissolved in 1 liter solution. And question is, which one is correct? My dear students, we know that at a definite temperature, the molar solution is defined as the solution in which 1 mole of solute dissolved. So, we can say that the option D is correct, because molar solution is standard solution. And what is the standard solution? Standard solution is the solution which concentration is known to us, and that's why option D is correct. And our next question is, what will be the mass of carbon dioxide in gram produced by thermal decomposition of 50 gram calcium carbonate? My dear students, we know that if calcium carbonate is heated, then we get calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. The molecular mass of calcium carbonate is 40 plus 12 plus 3 into 16. That means 100. And molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44. So, we can say that from 100 gram carbon dioxide, from 100 gram calcium carbonate, we get 44 gram carbon dioxide. So, from 50 gram calcium carbonate, we get 44 into 50 divided by 100, and The answer is 22. So, according to our calculation, we can say that option B is the correct answer. Our next question is C2O4 2 minus, it produces carbon dioxide. Which one is the correct for C2O4 2 minus for oxalate ion? My dear students, C2O4 2 minus produce carbon dioxide. Here 2 carbon present and 4 oxygen present, so we write here 2CO2. And in this reaction, my dear students, in this reaction, oxalate ion donate 2 electron. So here the option is gets reduced, option B leaves electron, option C accepts electron, and option D leaves oxygen. So according to this reaction, we can say that the correct answer is leaves electron. Now next question, in which solution phenolphthalein turns into pink color? My dear students, we know that phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic medium, but it shows pink color in base medium. So the answer is option D, sodium hydroxide, because this is a base. Our next question, in which compound oxidation number of chlorine is highest? Here, if we calculate the oxidation number of this compound for chlorine, this is +1, and for this compound this is +3, for this compound this is +5, and for this compound perchloric acid it is +7. So the highest oxidation number of chlorine is for perchloric acid, and option D is the correct answer. Now my dear students, our next question is, which one of the following acts as indicator to determine the amount of iron ion by standard potassium permanganate solution? My dear students, here given option is potassium permanganate, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, and iron 2 solution. My dear students, this reaction is oxidation reduction reaction, and the titration here we use is oxidation reduction titration. You can say that here the potassium permanganate acts as indicator to determine the amount of iron 2 ion by standard potassium permanganate solution. My dear students, our next question is, which of the following is secondary standard substance? Here given potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, sodium carbonate, and oxalic acid. So at first we have to know what is secondary standard substance. The substance which exist in nature as impure state and which is attacked by the component of air such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water, and which concentration is changed by the time is known as secondary standard substance. So according to our discussion, we can say that potassium permanganate is secondary standard substance. So option A is correct. Now, read the next question. Read this time and give answers to question number A and B. Your given reaction, sodium thiosulfate reacts with iodine and it produces sodium tetrathionate and sodium iodide. First question for this step, this type of reaction is redox reaction or iodimetry or iodometry. My dear students, we see that in this reaction thiosulfate ion H2O3 2 minus 2 thiosulfate ion donate 2 electron and it produce S4O6 2 minus tetrathionate ion, and iodine accept 2 electron and it produce 2 iodide ion. So we see that here 2 electron is accepted by iodine and 2 electron is donated by thiosulfate ion. So we can say that this reaction is a redox reaction. And if we discuss about the iodimetry titration, we can say that the process by which standard iodine solution is directly used to estimate the concentration of a reducing agent like thiosulfate is called iodimetry titration. So we can say that option A and option B is correct, and our question was which one is correct. So option D is the correct answer, that is 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Now, my dear students, our next question, which compound is being oxidized in the reaction? My dear students, we see that thiosulfate ion donate 2 electron in this reaction. So we can say that sodium thiosulfate is oxidized in the reaction, and here we can say that option A is the correct answer.